It's devastating for some parents, especially those that rely on hypoallergenic formulas, like specialty formulas. Just people are, I mean, they're breaking down, they're in tears in the grocery aisle. Like and I don't think no one anticipated it getting this bad. Well, I really was just trying to think of different ways to help, because my whole job is to provide support and resources. And I knew that people were having a hard time finding it. I wanted to kind of come up with some sort of system that made it a little easier to manage. I've had quite a few folks reach out saying that, they were able to get formula, some that are actually really hard to find right now. So it seems like it's overall, there's some, scams are happening in every single group, which is a problem. It's horrible to see, because I'm like, this is, we're talking about feeding infants, and they're desperate parents that are doing anything they can, and they're willing, they're already, the prices are increased of formula, the ones that are available, and then, paying shipping costs and all that on top of it, just to find out that you were scammed. And so, people are already struggling so much to get these formulas, and then just to think that there are people that actually will take advantage of this situation is pretty mind-blowing, but it's absolutely happening. One of the most important things is just to make sure that the information that they're getting about this whole situation is reliable, and from a trustworthy source, as far as what's causing it, what we're doing to make it better, what formulas are available, the recall, all of that, just making sure that you're getting your information from a reliable source.